In our previous videos on the channel, we received many requests to film the operation of different types of suspensions, and here we have this front suspension of a Jeep Wrangler Sahara. We will install a GoPro camera into these openings to observe its operation from this angle. My name is Sergey, and I welcome you again to our channel Opel Service Kiev. Without wasting time, let us immediately get to the point and filming. Do you think we will get result at all? There will definitely be results. The main thing is not to lose the camera. We connected the camera and we can control it using Bluetooth. And this is how it looks. You can adjust it like this. Look, I take it like this. See, and you can slightly change the angle of tilt. The flashlight will last for about 1 to 2 hours and the GoPro for about an hour, so we can capture these valuable shots. Have you ever seen the operation of suspension in real motion under a cut? No, I have not, but I would be very interested to see it. So, are we going it now? Yes, we are going it. Stay tuned with us. This car's metal is such that it does not allow Bluetooth connection, but I turned on filming from the outside. And here we go. Yes. You can see that the camera worked a little, and we managed to observe the operation of the suspension of the Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This was created at the request of our viewers in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all the viewers of our channel, subscribers, and special thanks to the sponsors of our channel, whose support allows us to create these projects. Goodbye, everyone.